안녕하세요. 영어동화 읽어주는 엄마예요. Today, the title is Biff's Airplane. She is very enthusiastic to fly her own airplane. Okay, with the airplane, something might happen. Let's see. Oh, this airplane is not factory made, right? Biff makes an airplane. She assembles and maybe she colored the airplane by herself. Yeah, that's right. Mommy helps her with the paint, aircraft paint. The airplane looks good. Yeah, the only airplane in the world. Biff wants to fly the airplane. She goes to the park and they are watching. The airplane flies up so high. It goes over the trees. Wow. Keeper fell down. It goes over the houses, threatening a bird. Wow, flies so high. Biff looks for the airplane. Where is it? Everyone helps. Did you see any airplane? The red color? That's my daughter made, like that. Oh, rabbit. Biff looks and looks. Where is my airplane? It may fall off the ground, but she can't find it. That's my airplane. She wants to cry. Where is it? Oh, my airplane is lost. She goes upstairs, very disappointed. Look at her. She is going to cry, shed tears. The airplane is on the bed. Fly back to her room through the window. Wow, that's amazing. Biff's airplane. Oh, I want to fly this airplane like Biff. If you like this book reading with me, please subscribe my channel and see you next time. Bye-bye.